Hello friends, today we are to see the inserting audio and video into the web page. Inserting audio and video into web page. Okay. In HTML 3.0, there are different tags are used to inserting audio and video. For example, .wav, .aiff, .wav, .wav, that is audio video, Windows audio video. .ra, real audio format, .mpg, moving picture expert group. These are the formats used for inserting audio into the web page. Another one is .au, audio format, .midi, musical instrument digital interface. It is the format for the audio, and these formats are used for using the tag BG sound that are in HTML 3.0. Now in HTML 5.0 there are different tags are used in the HTML format. These are like this here. For the HTML 5.0, audio tag is used, and the formats are .mp3. Here first formats are .mp3, moving picture version 3 or 3.0. Second one is the .aac advanced audio coding. And then third one is .ogg. That is it is an open container and free audio format. It is a open container and free audio format. These three formats are used for inserting audio into the web page. Okay, and for that purpose we have to use here the basic tags that the 1, 2, 3 are audio tag. Then for the audio tag, here the attributes are one, src. Src means source. Then second is type. What are the types are used of that audio files? Here mentioning the audio or MPG format. Okay, Then another one is source tag. Second is source tag. Source tag. Second, source tag. Okay. Then see the sample program for the inserting audio into the web page. Your program is like this. Doc type, HTML, head, then title, audio, whatever may be a title, for example XYZ, then title close, head close, then body tag. After that body tag, we have to use write the in MP tag in paragraph audio or inserting audio P tag close. The statements are displayed like this: audio, then audio controls autoplay, audio controls autoplay, then we have to use another one here, source tag. An attribute of source tag is src is equal to abc dot mp3. That is the format for the audio file mp3. Then type is equal to audio, audio or mp3. Okay. Then another audio file or single one here. Okay, then close here audio tag. This is audio tag, then close audio, close body and close HTML. Okay, that is the simple program for the inserting audio into the. Then we have to take the another audio file using here .ogg extension, here .ogg. Okay, another extension is okay. These are the formats for the simple inserting audio into the web page. Okay, then see the attributes for the audio tag. It is very important. Attributes for the audio tag. One by one. Audio tag attributes. First one, autoplay. Autoplay means automatically it will be start. This audio will start automatically as soon as it is ready. Automatically. Then second one, controls. Controls means start, forward, reverse, stop. These are the controls. Play, pause button. For example, here play, pause button. Then loop. Third one, LOOP. Loop means how many time the songs will be played in the audio format. How many it will play. For example, loop is equal to 3. It means it play 3 times. Loop is equal to -1. It may play infinite times. Okay. Then muted. Fourth one, right here, fourth one, muted. Muted means the sound of that audio is mute. It specifies that the audio output should be muted. Sound is muted. Okay. Then SRC. SRC means URL. SRC means URL, Uniform Resource Locator, or path of the audio file is SRC. These are the 5 attributes of the audio tag. Okay. Then see the video tag. These are the attributes are used in the audio format, and the formats are .mp3, .ogg. Okay. Then see the program, simple program for the audio. Another one, doc type, HTML, head, title close. Okay, head close. Then body tag. Then use here audio tag. First one, audio controls. Okay. Then use another tag, source. First attribute is SRC. It is the path of the audio file. Test.mp3. Then another attribute is type is equal to audio .mp3. Okay. Audio. Then close here audio file, audio tag, close body tag, and close HTML. It is the audio, inserting audio into the HTML5 format. HTML5.0 format. Okay. Student, next part inserting video you have to see tomorrow.